Good afternoon. My name is Willard with MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas, and today we're going to be discussing the new Mastercraft X24. In the X24, we have a huge bow area here, and we have the armrest so you can recline in the sunshine. As we go through the boat, you'll notice that there's an ample amount of seating on both sides of the boat, with the captain's chair here. On the dash, we have full instrumentation. This is all your surf information here. This is all digital gauges throughout here with a tilt wheel. And then here we have storage up here where you can put additional gear. Here we have a flip-flop seat that basically gives you the capabilities to watch your surfer or wakeboarder. Very convenient, very nice to have. Back here, we have lounge seatings on the back that basically you can sit and watch your surfer, wakeboarder. Very, very unique. Again, I'm back here on the platform. We have a swim step here, which is very unique and it's new. Also, we have the lounge seats I mentioned earlier, which makes it very convenient to watch your surfer or wakeboarder. Again, this is a Mastercraft X24. My name is Willard, and I'm with MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. My cell number is 972-835-8788. Thank you.